So for today, in this video, I've caught myself a salmon. Took the whole day to be exact, and I didn't catch my salmon till like the end of the day. So here's this little clip of me catching onto that salmon. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Now I also forgot to mention that I sound like a freaking monkey, alright? I was pretty excited. I'm also tired because we've been out for the whole day, but yeah, we're gonna sound like exact monkeys.
Alright, you got him, bro. You got him. Alright, let's bring him up here just in case. I don't want him to run away. Oh, let's go!